guys, ito na nga ang episode 2 ng ano to?
Horizons Romance Overload Glamping plus Temple sa Hongchon Pack Your Bag episode 2!
Let's go!
Walang audio.
Ba't walang audio to?
Okay, ulitin mo!
Narito naman tayo, let's go!
You're like the alpaca earlier. Like actually so good.
Sila pa rin?
Oh. Ayaw mo?
Hindi, akala ko kasi episode 2.
Akala mo bago,
Iba naman.
Pero di ba nag-preview nung nakaraan na parang pinakita pa rin sila?
Gusto ko ng ganyan.
Sarap! Huwag tayong ganyan.
Okay, go. Yeah! Horizon will become...
Gusto ko ng gano'n, Lucy's. Yun ba yung tawag doon?
the best. Let's take this time to really congratulate ourselves. Actually, no, we started at like 8, 9. We were in MBC. 11:30, Alpaca World. We had our lunch. We finished Alpaca, and then we went to.
Wow, ang busy. Sana
Grabe yung schedule.
Gusto ko ng ganyan for the pasyal.
And now glamping. So you guys can see our pie chart is almost complete. Yeah. So we're more than halfway there.
Pag gumaganyan yung nagfi-fishbowl effect yung camera, mukhang baby lalo si Marcus.
So let's go? Yeah, let's go. Shall we go inside? Front desk. Check in.
We're inside right now.
Oh yeah. Check
Ito yung tsura ni Marcus, oh.
Yung baby.
Nagfi-fishbowl effect din naman.
Nag-ano kasi.
Mukha, pero si Marcus parang baby talaga.
Yung parang tumataba yung dito niya pag ano.
Hi, koyo.
어제 한 방 주무실 거죠?
네.
여기 며칠을 오늘 날짜 적어주시면 되고요. 오늘 날짜, 내일 날짜 적어주시면
네,
되고.
알겠습니다.
연락처.
아, 네. 이거 한 명씩이에요?
아니 한
아니면-
분만 대표로 한 분만.
알겠습니다. 오케이.
Let's go, Makusu! Mekus na yan!
이렇게 해주시면 되고
네.
내일 퇴실은 11시까지 해주시면 돼요.
네, 알겠습니다.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Nope.
Ayan, equipped with all the necessary camping facilities where you can also enjoy barbecue and swimming.
Ooh, ngayon ko lang nalaman yung term na yun, ah. So, glamping is a noun. Okay.
So parang di ba pag camping, di ba magdadala ka ng ano mo, pero dito may nandiyan na yung equipment nila, parang ganun.
Okay guys.
Hi guys.
Ay, ano to kuya? Ano yung pinagmamalaki natin dito? Ano ba yung pinagmamalaki natin dito?
Teka, ang kinis ni Kyla. Bakit
Bakit
ako
tayo
papayag ng
nakaganyan?
chat?
Bakit tayo nakaganyan? Anong mga ipinagmamalaki natin?
Guys, dito tayo ngayon sa reaction video, guys. Kaya guys. Tara na, guys.
And then let's go. Yo.
Let's do it. Let's go racing.
Ay, puro mga nakaganyan pala silang tatlo kasi nga syempre magsuswimming.
Tamang-tama
Kaya
pala,
pala
nakaganito
sinasabi
rin
nila
ako,
maganda
guys.
yung ganito ni Kyler, yung shoulders niya. Kasi sabi nila na parang broad yung ano
They
niya.
are going
Ah.
to
Yung akin ba, guys, maganda rin.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
race.
May kinamot ka pa yata dito.
Jeremy and Marcus. 3, 2, let's go.
Ay, wala akong ganyan. Na marunong lumangoy.
Let's go Marcus.
Ako ng ganyan.
Hey.
Oy, si Kenz, patulugin nyo na.
I think we have to bring him down. Yeah, let's try. I can't die.
Ayun na! Tuntuahin na lang ang bata.
So, hello guys.
Ayun na,
We're
kainan
done
portion na.
swimming.
Wala.
We
Ayun, may ano
showered,
sila, ayun, oh. Yung ano,
changed
yung
clothes.
snack.
Yeah, change clothes.
Seaweed na snack.
Actually, we're kind of ready for bed right now, but we are gonna eat our dinner. So we're gonna make hanu, and then we also bought
The pork.
the pork. And Jiro, what did you buy? Actually, what
Ba't pag may horizon, lagi na
Ganyan
may
kayo,
pagkain.
laging ganyan,
My
ganyan,
God.
ganyan,
did you
ganyan.
bring to the table earlier?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
gusto ko
So
yan.
this is gonna be our dinner for tonight.
Yay!
Teka, ba't tinranslate yun as ramyun? Ano ba yung ramyun?
Iba yung ramyun, di ba? Yung ano yun, yung may soup.
Oo. Hoy, Hirang, nandiyan ka pa ba sa live stream? Tulungan mo kami rito, okay?
But I'm actually gonna explain to everyone because now we're doing glamping, right? Basically, to summarize, glamping is kind of like camping, but more modernized, right? Because we have Wi-Fi, we have tent, and we have like really modernized room. Anyways, should we start?
Yeah, you guys
cooking?
should start cooking.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's start.
Okay.
So para
I'll
dun sa
just be
mga
your
ayaw
assistant.
mo nang magdala ng mga gamit na ganyan, meron na rin siguro dun
Here's
sa,
the
sa
meat.
lugar na yun.
Nice. I'm gonna ask you,
Nice.
though, how long do you think we should make it
masarap
like this
yan,
before we have to turn it? Like 5-10 minutes?
Yung become smelly, I think.
Oh, this one.
Ay, kuya, ayoko ng smelly na meat. Nagulat ako dun sa smelly.
Hindi na pwede yun, Kyler, pag smelly na.
Pag smelly na, hindi na pwede yun.
Dapat
Tapon na yun,
itapon na yun.
tapon.
Pagka smelly na, iba na yun.
Pag kayo bibili kayo ng meat tapos smelly na, huwag nyo nang bibili.
Grabe yun, Kyler, wag ganun.
The aroma.
Oh, okay.
Aroma naman pala.
You're like
Naguluhan ako eh.
earlier. Wow, you're doing well. So now it's getting brown.
Ay, oo nga pala si Kyler kasi
So that's
nagluluto,
our
no?
first
This is the first one.
Oo.
round
Let's go.
of kogi.
Parang ang sarap nung yung grapes nila.
Hoy guys, pag marunong magluto, husband material yan. Pila na kayo kay Kyler. Let's go.
Wow. This is so good.
Pareho kayo,
Actually, so
marunong
good.
ka din magluto.
Kaya nga husband material din ako eh.
Wow.
Pareho pa kaming makinis ang braso.
Mani mo ko yung...
Parang gusto ko yung grapes. Gusto ko yung grapes nila. Parang ang sarap.
Ang laki, no?
Oo.
So this is our last portion
Never
of
ko pa
dinner
na-try yan.
time. This is like our
Alin
dessert
yun?
time, basically.
Magganyan,
Dessert
ganyan.
time.
Yan,
We're
yan.
gonna do
Ano
s'mores,
ng
and here
marshmallow.
we have our little bonfire. We actually
Masarap ba
took
yan?
some
Pag
barks
niluluto
there,
yung marshmallow
and the owner
sa
of this
apoy.
place
Hindi
gave
ko pa na-try
this
din yun.
thingy to us. So we're gonna use it.
Masarap ba yan?
And we
Comment down
did,
below.
actually.
Oo, yung mga
So,
nasa live stream.
Now let's make some s'more. Just don't put it directly on the fire, guys.
I think mine is okay.
Yeah, you can eat it. But when you bite into it, it's gonna be melted. It's gonna be really tasty.
Wow.
Talaga ba? Oh, di ba? Ang dungis ni Kuya. Oh.
We have a lot here.
Lakas baka gwapo nung nandito dito.
It's so yummy.
Mukha nga.
Yan gusto ko kay Kyler. Sabi niya parang dito to. I feel so excited. It's so yummy.
It's my first time eating s'mores with my members. So guys,
The firework that I was talking
Talagang
about
hindi talaga
earlier is
tinatanggal
actually
yung
this
madumi
one.
dito,
What
eh,
do you
no?
call this?
Lucy's in Philippines.
Lucis?
Yeah.
But before we light it up, we should say our final message.
Hold on. When
Uy,
you
grabe
light
naman.
it up, what
Final
happens?
message
Like
na.
it's just like
Yeah,
like that.
So we put it there and then we point there
Yeah.
and it goes out?
Yeah.
I mean,
Don't
niya
put it
dito
like
niya
put it
talagang
into something
nakikita ko
like
talaga
Okay,
yun, no?
first,
Ulit-ulit ako.
축하드립니다. 우리 열심히 했어요 오늘. So we did really good today. So
Yay.
we've created so many memories. So good job. And of course,
Uy, meron
thank
pang
you to
susunod
our
na ano.
anchors
Huh?
for supporting us now. I hope you guys
Uy, 6 minutes pa lang.
keep on doing so. And more anchors in the future. And always be kind to
Ay,
each
baka
other.
mayroon kalahati iba.
Yeah, bye guys.
Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay, go.
Marcus,
Thank you.
run, bulletproof, run, you gotta run. Let's run.
Oh, wait, let's
Maganda kung meron silang fountain na gano'n. No,
Morning, guys. It's like it's 9:50.
Ay, hindi pa pala tapos. May umagang schedule pa pala sila.
up the other members. Bro. Yo. Let's
Ay, gusto ko yung nakapang-meme. Ayun, no, may mga pusa.
It's
Gusto ko din ng mga miyam-miyam.
You have to wake up. Yeah, Kyler. It's already 9:50 right now. Almost 10. No, he said 5 more minutes.
Oh my god, bro.
So I got to wake up Kuya Kyler, but Jiro still wants to sleep because he likes to sleep. We have
Ganda ng breakfast
This
niya.
I woke the members up, but Jiro actually slept for like 5 more minutes.
5 more minutes.
But this is our morning scenery, and we
we made
got to make ramen.
breakfast.
Something that I was thinking
Ganda ng breakfast,
earlier,
marami yun ah.
like we need to find more places to go.
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah,
Wait, I'll try to search.
yeah. Try to.
Gusto ko yung ano niya, yung
Oh, do you guys
terno
wanna
yung
go to
ano,
some, like,
pajama. Cute.
you guys want? I'm down.
Me too, bro.
Find this on Google. Look, it's Gongjaksan Sutasa.
Where is that?
I think I don't know where, but maybe it's just around here.
It looks so good.
We have to check out here as well, and then maybe we can go to Sutasa.
Yes.
The temple. Let's just eat and then get ready.
Yeah.
Get ready!
Ganun.
Gusto ko talaga itong ganitong
Let's
content
go.
na ayaw ko.
Di ba? Maganda. Ganda ng mga gantong content. Nakakaaliw.
Okay,
Gusto ko itong
so
ganito.
we arrived in Sutasa.
Hala ko walang ano.
So
Akala ko
we're
sila
now
yung
in
payo.
the Sutasa temple.
As you can see, the weather is.
It's
Di
raining
ba
a little
parang
bit,
di ba
right?
transparent yun sa
But
pagbulang
actually,
tingin parang
guys, I did a
sila.
little bit of research earlier. Sutasa Temple was built around 1,300 years ago.
Oh really? Wow.
Which is crazy because
Kanila may
if it's
mga ganyang lugar,
1,300
ano?
years ago, that's like the 700s.
And
So that's
I
crazy.
think Sutasa was built monk, I think.
A monk?
Yeah. One deso.
This is really cool because we're gonna just walk around a really historical place
Yeah, this is.
that's
Tapos ang
been
linis
around
ng
for
tubig dun sa gilid, oh.
ages. Look at this. It looks like from the K-drama.
Yeah.
Jiro, look at this. It's a bell.
Be careful, Jeremy.
What do you think this was used for, Jiro? The bell. It's like for maybe it's for something dangerous when the enemy is like coming here. You're gonna like
Oh, it's like an
bang.
alarm?
Yeah, it's like
Hindi,
an
ano yan.
alarm for
Pagka
the
halimbawa
villager.
recess na, papatunogin yan.
Eskwelahan?
Oo.
Yun
There's
yung inaano
something
yung
written
gong,
here.
no? Okay po ba
Writing
yung mga
on the
special
lower part of
announcements
the bell
yung
indicates
mga
that
bagay-bagay?
it was made during the middle of the Joseon 1670.
So there's a bronze bell.
This is really cool. Look at the bell. Oh, there's a
Laki, diba?
dragon there. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's take out our shoes and let's actually go inside the place. Hola, Seo. Whoa.
Pero grabe no,
Look
imagine,
at
di
their
ba ano to,
faces.
parang
So
lugar,
obviously-
Korea to, pero ang
Because back then
nagpo-promote
there were
Pinoy.
no pictures.
Diba?
They always just...
They have third eye.
Is it not? I think it is. Look.
Look.
That's
Tapos
a
iba
third
kasi yung
eyebrow.
point of view ng ano, yung foreigner ka na
Look at
punod
the
sa
cat.
Oo,
foreign
kaya nga
land,
maganda eh.
gano'n.
So big.
Di ba?
Yun nga yung
Iba
appeal
kasi
eh.
yung take ng ano eh, iba yung take ng halimbawa, Korean ka, tapos yung kultura, Korean, gano'n. Sila kasi parang, Pinoy sila eh, wala silang kaalam-alam talaga dun sa kultura eh.
Yeah, I think we can go
Kaya nga
out.
nagulat sila nung may third eye daw eh. Siguro naisip nila yung parang si Vincent, no? Sa Ghost Fighter. May third eye.
We're gonna write in these like metal plates. We're gonna write our wishes.
Yeah.
And then hopefully they'll come true. Which one do you guys want to use? This one? This
Yeah.
one? Okay. Anything you want. I wish that
Ganda naman ng sulat. Sana ganyan din yung sulat
will
ko.
become the best. The best of the best. Successful. Yeah.
Tapos magkamali ka, no? Paano mo ka nabuburahin?
Alright, mine.
Napaka-prone
Alright,
ko parang
over
siguro
here.
pag kinakabahan ako.
Alright, yours here. I hope that everyone
Nagkamali ka na spelling.
No.
will be happy.
Jerry's having a. He's wishing.
Be okay. Okay. Alright, we're now done with our
Everything that
plates.
I hope
And
everything
you
that
can
will
do
be
the honors of
Okay.
carrying the plate. Where should we put it? I think people put theirs here. So
can put over there. Wow, their writing is so good.
Parang yung ano, sa Japan naman, meron naman sila yung papel, no?
Now I
Pag
guess
pupunta
you
ka sa
can just walk
temple,
around.
papel
okay.
naman yung suot,
Yeah.
tapos tinatali nila dun
There's
sa ano, sa parang puno.
Sutasa? Sengte. Wow, this is so cool. We're in
Sarap
the
ng
middle of
hangin
the
dyan,
forest.
green na green,
There's so
oh.
many plants here.
So different from where
Sarap
we live.
maglakad sa ganyang
like in Seoul,
lugar.
full of buildings,
Nakaka-relax
many
yan.
cars. But here, we're just in the middle of nature.
Diba? Kahit saan ka lang
guys,
maupo dyan, ang
I think this is a
sarap.
really good place to end our episodes.
Yeah.
And we did a lot. We really did a lot. We started.
and we really enjoyed the moment together.
Yeah. And our episode. So we really want to thank all of our anchors who have watched this episode 1 and 2.
Uy, more
of Pack Your
episodes!
Bag. So
Yeah.
Hoy,
hopefully you
yun na
guys
yun?
enjoyed
Hoy, yun na yun?
More episodes pa!
because we really enjoyed it. Anyways, guys, we love you.
Maka-request
We love you
eh.
guys. This has been Horizon. Watch episodes 1 to 2 of Pack Your Bag, premiering on October 19 and 26. And after watching each full video, don't forget to leave a comment and take a screenshot of it. So that's 2 screenshots
ito
in
yung
total,
may ano.
1 per episode.
Leave a comment on KoreanNet YouTube community post on that event and take a screenshot of it.
And guess which members will host episodes 3 and 4 through a Google form provided in the community post.
Fill up the Google form with your personal information with all 3 screenshots.
KoreanNet will randomly select 20
20
people
people,
who have
oh, yan yung ano
submitted
nila.
all required screenshots and answered the quiz correctly. Don't miss your chance!
I feel all
Yun!
Ayun na! Silang tatlo naman! Ay, gusto ko yung mga ganito!
Gusto ko yan! Diba?
Kahit once a week lang yung mga ganitong ano, pero ano, may mga ganyan lapa. Gusto ko yan! Nakakaliw! Wala pang 30 minutes. Demanding talaga eh. Nilapagan na nga eh. Nangihingi pa ng ano eh.
Eh, kasi nga eh.
Pero nakakaaliw. Gusto ko itong mga ganitong
Gusto ko
content.
talaga to. Para talagang 1,000 days miracle. Talaga
Oo.
ulit. Ayan. So hanggang dito ang ating reaction. Kita-kita tayo sa episode 3.
Don't forget to always like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!